Good morning and welcome all of you. Today I am again going to listen about the life science, and the main portion we have taken is the molecular cell biology. Our today's topic is glycolipid and cholesterol in phospholipid bilayer. But before that, we are going to mention my thankful to my respected sir, Dr. Kade sir, who is also my guide, respected Dr. Wankhede sir, Basme sir, Pradeep Chete sir, D.R. Ingde sir, Ugle sir, Daryapurkar sir, and who commented on the last lecture. All of them, I thankful to them. Uh, Archana Patil madam, Dr. Srivastav, Sapna Patil madam, Borse madam, Trupti madam, Khandare sir, and my dear students. Again, there are the number of followers and my students that spread all over in Maharashtra and India. Therefore, it is my duty to mention the thankfuls to all of them. Now, we are going to listen today the glycolipid and the cholesterol. Before that, again, we focusing on the general feature of the phospholipid bilayer. We know that the phospholipid bilayer, it is made up of the number of phospholipids. Of them, some are the major phospholipids and another are the minor phospholipid. But these phospholipids are made up of the common structure having the one head and another tail. These are the groups in the phospholipid. And tails are made up of hydrophobic fatty acid chain. There are the two tail attached to the head. These hydrophobic fatty acid chain mostly contain the one or more double bond. When there is the natural phospholipid, in this most natural phospholipids, they are found a one or more double bond. And due to this double bond, they introduce the kink in the chain. Otherwise, when there is the all single bond, then chain remain straight one. But due to the double bond, at the position of this double bond, they are found a turn. It is known as the kink. And due to this, it make the phospholipid difficult to pack together. And in this way, this long hydrocarbon chain move freely in the interior of the membrane. In the interior of the membrane, because there are the two layer, and in between the two layer there is the space. In this space, these hydrophobic chain freely move, and due to this moving, the membrane remain itself soft and flexible. And due to this softness and flexibility also, the component of the phospholipid, that is component of the bilayer, that is phospholipid and protein, diffuse laterally within the membrane, means they can change its position in the membrane. Now, with the phospholipid, there are again two other component. One of them is the glycolipid. On the outer leaflet, the glycolipid found exclusively, and here the glyco refers the term for carbohydrate. When lipid containing the carbohydrate portion, it is known as the glycolipid. Therefore, when these glycolipids are present on the outer surface, its carbohydrate portion exposed on the cell surface, and it is the minor component of plasma membrane. How minor? It is constitute only about the 2% of all lipid present in the plasma membrane. So it is the minor component. And second component is the cholesterol. One is the glycolipid, another one is the cholesterol. Glycolipid was the minor one, but cholesterol, it is the major membrane constituent. and it again found in the animal cell plasma membrane. This point it is the very important. The cholesterol, it is the major membrane constituent and found in the animal cell. Animal cell contain the cholesterol, and its majority will be seen as it is present in the plasma membrane as same molar amount as the phospholipid. Means the equal amount of phospholipid present in the plasma membrane and equal amount of this cholesterol present in the plasma membrane. Both are in equal quantity. Cholesterol again have the rigid ring structure. Assume the structure of cholesterol. You know that all of them. The structure of cholesterol. It contains the ring, and due to this rigid ring, it play the distinct role. This role will be seen just after few minutes. This cholesterol itself cannot form the membrane, but it insert into the bilayer of phospholipid. And how cooperate there? Due to its structure. Cholesterol possess the polar hydroxyl group, and phospholipid also possess the head group. Now these two groups remain close to one another and constitute the plasma membrane. Now, due to its rigid ring structure, it plays the distinct role in the plasma membrane. How this play the distinct role? At the two different temperature, the cholesterol play this role. At high temperature, cholesterol affect the movement of fatty acid chain and then make the outer part of membrane less fluid, and due to this it reduces the permeability to the small molecule. Now listen, the lipid has tendency to melt at high temperature, and due to the melting it become more fluid, but this fluidity get prevented by the cholesterol, and due to this it reduces the permeability, it reduces the fluidness of the membrane, and so the small molecule cannot enter the cell. But at low temperature there is the opposite effect of cholesterol on membrane. Again at low temperature it interfere with the interaction between the fatty acid chain, and due to this it prevents the membrane from freezing. We know that the lipid or any oil material at low temperature undergoes the freezing. Likewise here, the lipid also undergoes the freezing at low temperature, but cholesterol prevents this freezing, and due to this membrane remain the fluidity. At low temperature require the fluidness, so the cholesterol help to maintain the membrane fluidity. These are the two distinct roles of the cholesterol. Now again in concerning with the bacteria and the plant cell, we know that the cholesterol it is the important constituent of animal cell, but it is not present in the bacterial plasma membrane. Cholesterol not present in the bacterial plasma membrane. Now here the two again important point are there. Cholesterol not present in the bacteria, it is essential component of the animal cell, and like the bacteria, plant also lack the cholesterol. But here plant cell contains similar compound known as the sterol. Plant lack the cholesterol but contain the similar compound sterol, and these sterol fulfill the similar function like cholesterol in the cell of plant. So again I hope that from today's this small session all of you will understood the important point regarding the examination, and this point is the again very important from lower education level, that is from high school to junior college to senior PG and various examinations like the NET, SET, JEE and NEET. Therefore I request to all of them subscribe and share this valuable information to number of the learner. Again, thank you. Again, subscribe the channel.